Hello, you are welcome to Femi Drojai TV. My name is Femi Drojai. Today I'll be talking about making big money the Showmax way. After watching this video, you will understand some basic principles of making big money. Or this time, the Showmax way. Showmax is the South African competitor to Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, etc. to the major streaming platforms all over the world. That is who Showmax is competing with. They started the operations in 2015, 8 solid years ago. Your business, how old is it? Maybe you have been at your business for 1 year, for 2 years. You're already tired. I've been at this business for so long. It's taking so long to break even. Showmax has been at it for 8 years, and they are still investing. They're not making big money, but they're on their path to making big money. You understand? 8 years, they are still at it. They are still building, tightening the knots, removing the knots. You trying to do this, trying to do that. The business you set up, how many years have you been at it that you are tired? People who easily get tired can't make money. The Showmax way. You can't build anything great. How long have you been at your business that you are tired? Showmax has been at theirs and they are still working at this business. 8 years now. This is the 9th year. They are still investing in the business. Showmax, as I said, they're on their way to making big money on the world stage. Big money. Now, don't give up on your pet project because it has not broken even at the time you think it should break even. Every great business has a gestation period. Everybody is seeing Elon Musk cars that are not using fuel now. You don't know when he has been incubating this idea. You have no idea when it started. So your own business that you have just given 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and you're already tired. It's not making the big money it's supposed to make. Hello, my people. Do it the Showmax way. Do it the Showmax way. You understand? Give it time. Another thing I want to talk about here is Showmax is building its platform from the scratch. Nobody starts building from the top. You build from the ground floor. Use the ground floor experience to understand the nitty-gritty of your business. That's what you do. Many have blown their inheritance. They have blown other people's money trying to start big. You want to start big on a project that you don't know all the corners. All the corners. I want to start big when you don't even know all the nitty-gritty of the project or the nitty-gritty of the business. Even the Bible tells us not to despise the days of little beginnings. Start small. Do it the Showmax way. Showmax started in South Africa. Start small. Start small. Use the smallness of your business to learn it. That's how you begin to make big money. By having knowledge, product knowledge, information about your business. You have become a don in your business. When you become a don in your business, then you make big money. Nobody can tell you anything. You make the money. But it comes from understanding the kind of business you are doing more than your competitor. Now, Showmax started at home in South Africa. Oh yes, 8-9 years ago. They started in South Africa. Not in London or Paris or America. They started in their own state, in their own country. Start where you are. Don't wait until you get to point A or point B or point C before you start. Start where you are. Do it the Showmax way. Greatness is methodological. Methodological. I use a way to put everything together. It's my method. Start where you are. Start where you are. Start small. Start where you are. You say you don't have everything you need. Take the example of what's his name, Moses in the Bible. When he said, I can't go and meet Pharaoh, I don't have this, I don't know how to talk. God asked him, asked him, what do you have in your hand? He said, I have a rod. And with that rod, God used it to deliver the children of Israel from the stronghold of King Pharaoh, according to biblical story. What you have is enough for you to start. Start. Do it the Showmax way. Start where you are. Start. Showmax targeted Africans at home and in the diaspora. Use whatever it is you have to start your business. Don't wait until you have all the money, everything complete, everything pay, everything is correct before you start. Start. You see, providence kind of make a way for those who take the first step, the second step, the third step, the fourth step. That is what all the factors in the world just gather to help you on. They say a journey of 1,000 kilometers. Start with one step. You got to start now where you are with what you have. Start. You want to do a film? Start skits. Start with what you are with your phone. Start. That's how greatness begins. That's how you make big money. Start. Don't wait until you have everything complete before you start. As I said, Showmax started showing African content to Africans in Africa and the diaspora. Target your own audience. Who define who is going to buy your products, who you are going to market to, who your target audience is. Define it. Sit down, plan, think. Do it the Showmax way. Not just start anything. Just start, make all of us just start. That's not business is done. That's not how you make big money. You define who is going to consume whatever it is you are going to produce. Define your audience. By defining your audience, it gives you focus and direction. It makes your journey faster. Where you are going, you get there quicker because you are able to focus. You are able to you have direction where you are going. Instead of prancing here today, going there tomorrow, going there, you know where you are going. That is what targeting your audience does. Do it the Showmax way. Showmax targeted Africans in Africa and Africans in the diaspora. MultiChoice, the owner of DSTV and Showmax, remain in the digital broadcast business. It is good to have multiple sources of income, but try and stay within the sphere, within the ambience of your competence, like Showmax, like DSTV, like MultiChoice. Stay within the ambience of your competence. Stay there. Stay first within the ecosystem of your competence where you have experience. Within the ecosystem of that business, stay there. You can get your multiple source of income from there. I'm an actor, I'm a filmmaker, I'm a screenwriter, I'm a presenter. You understand? I'm in the creative space where I have some level of competence. Stay within the sphere, within the ecosystem of your competence. It helps you to make big money. It helps you to focus and it helps you to move very, very fast. The sixth thing I want to talk about is Showmax failed in Poland in 2019. They closed shop. They failed. Failure is nothing. Failure is integral to your success. Nobody should fear failure. In short, if you are not failing enough, that means you are not innovating enough. You are not doing new things enough. You are not working hard enough. If you are not failing, that's the implication. Showmax failed spectacularly in Poland, but they expanded to other parts of Europe. Failure is to help you to sharpen your direction, your focus, where you are supposed to go. Now, don't give up on your business because you failed. The business failed. You failed in this direction. You failed in that direction. Regroup yourself and pursue it. Pursue your goal. Failure just tells you that, this is not the way to do it. This is the way to do it. That's what failure does. Failure is your friend. Failure is your friend. It's a barometer to point you. It's a pointer to where your success is. Don't fear failure. If you fail, you know how not to do it. The man that got the electric bulb, he did the experiment 1,000 times. It's two of us now. Before they take palm oil and wool, they take see road for darkness. This man, Edison I think, sat down, did experiments and failed 1,000 times before we have this light bulb. That we all just get to just put on the switch, boy, light come. Somebody sat down and failed to get it. Because you failed in your business at the start of your business, it's nothing. Learn from it and charge on. That's how to do it. Don't give up on your business because you experience some level of failure. Do it the Showmax way. The number 7 thing I want to talk about this. I'm proud to be part of the success story of Showmax. I first got involved in the Showmax TV drama when I played the character Jankfa in Crime and Justice Lagos. It's an award. It won awards. You understand? And how did I get it? I was working within the sphere of my competence. I was consistent. And when the time came to recommend somebody, I've forgotten about the person. It just called, that is the person to play that character. I was not even aware that the project was on. I did it the Showmax way. I kept within the sphere, within the ecosystem of my competence. Do it the Showmax way. You make big money the Showmax way. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Femi Drojai TV. Let me have your feedback on this video. Like and ring the bell so that when I upload the video, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you for watching. See you at another time. Bye-bye.